Trace the cracks on the floor tonight. Neon shadows dance in the broken light. A heart beats loud, but it's out of sync. Lost in the rhythm, I can't quite dream. The air is heavy, it pulls me in. Pull me in that twist.
All right. So yesterday I passed the challenge. After the London session, I ended on plus $400 after a great recovery. Unfortunately, the markets were very bad, very range bound. You can go watch the video from yesterday. And unfortunately, after that, I wasn't able to stream the US session. I came late, and we were blessed with great markets. I wasn't expecting the indices to hit new all-time highs, especially the Nasdaq. I took a few good trades, a few bad trades, but in the end I managed to pass it. I'm gonna show the trades in a second. So here it is. Passing, hit target within 5 days. Max daily loss minus 3%, max loss in general minus 2.1. Target hit, obviously. Here we have the totals for each day. So yesterday I ended up on 4K. So overall 54% win rate out of 77 trades with an average risk to reward 1.3. On average risking about 0.5% to make about 600. Good sharp 1.6 and a profit factor of above 1.5, which is very nice. There was struggles, it wasn't easy. I initially had a greater risk to reward. Okay, so let's review some of the trades. So that was the last Germany trade. And I started about an hour and a half after the session opened, the US session opened. Had great results here. After the initial push, I went in for the pullback trade. One loser, US 30. I thought there was a better opportunity, then recovered that. Then some more profits on US 30, and finally the last two trades on Nasdaq. So let's look at the chart from yesterday. This keeps bugging. So that's the move I missed out of the open. This was great. I had a small trade here, small win. Then the two big wins right here. Zoom in. So yeah, basically continuation trades with momentum. A lot of good opportunities. Had a loss here. And then the win. These are the last two trades. This was the trade that won the challenge. And on US 30, again, after a pullback, we have confirmation of the trend. Unfortunately, it was a bit more grindy, so this didn't work out well. So last one here, one win here, and one win here. Small win here as well, and a small win here. Yeah, so but that's basically it. Was a very good and unexpected strong market out of the gate. And Nasdaq ended up hitting all-time highs and is currently trading above. This is very nice. Also, when so where is that? So I had marked on Germany these levels, and I said at the end of yesterday's London stream that I'm not expecting this to be hit, and in fact it was. I could have passed then and there. And it just kept on ripping the whole day. So the entire day was from low to high, 500 points, 2%. Amazing, the markets are back. And now we continue on to the verification. I think I'm gonna wait a while today in the London session because I'm seeing this narrowing of the range. So I prefer to have more momentum. This daily range is currently at only 100 points. We have barely tapped the Asia highs. So yeah, we'll see what happens. I'll switch the account and let's see how the market goes.
Can you hear me calling out your name? Let me run to you and escape this place. Stop time, rewind, bring me back to you. How would it be in my heart if you only knew? Saw you in a field of ice and snow, holding out your hand for me to go. Wasn't scared to see you, always knew it in my bones that something here was bound to take me home. You said you don't know me well, but I'm your angel in white. I'll be close if you come, I'll be just behind you. You're not on the list, but I can get you inside. Use your mind, listen to my voices and guide you. Give yourself over, yeah, you don't wanna fight. If you do, I'm gonna bid you a hard cold goodnight. Baby, hang on to your ticket, you doing alright. And if you don't trust it, hold it up to the light. not you, not here, then I don't know. As above is ever so below. Something here was bound to take me home. But I can get you inside, babe. I said you're not on the list, but I can get you inside. Just break my heart. What do you feel? Chasing the feelings from ghosts in the sky. I hope they don't mind. I need you near. Something to hold, someone I can call mine. Please don't break my heart. Just break my It's like clockwork, how it always ends. Bite my tongue, 'cause I have to pretend. Buried all my feelings, find them in a coffin. But there's no space for healing or letting you in. я ощущаю слова твои в моей памяти тают. Но я в моем ночи тебя вспоминаю. Ты ушла, темноту без прощания. Слезы на стёклах, как знак обмана. Я один в этом мире страданий. Поезд на час учитывает раны. Мне не хочется оставлять тебя в команде. Я ощущаю слова твои в моей памяти тают. Но я в моей ночи тебя вспоминаю. Мне не хочется
I just wanna puke.
Он забрал всю нашу боль. Спасай, спасай, спасай. Спасай, спасай, спасай. Он забрал всю нашу боль. Спасай, спасай, спасай.
Alright, starting with top-down analysis. So after yesterday's actually rip, we're still not at all-time highs. There is more way to go, judging by the performance of other indices. And the euro as well is not doing very well currently on the day. The VIX is suggesting that we continue with the upward momentum. So at this point it's understandable that we have a tightening of the range. As we can see, we still haven't pushed beyond the Asia lows or highs. And we also have news today, so yeah, we have some news, but more importantly, tomorrow we have the NFPs. This is gonna provide more liquidity, so for today's game plan, I don't think there's a lot of room to push it. So for the verification, I'm gonna take a more laid-back approach. So far the DAX is just hanging around. We can see that we've had higher highs with divergence, which started about here with this high. Then the next high as well, so I'm expecting that we have some sort of correction here. How deep can the correction be? We can see the divergence more clearly on the 30-minute.
Those celestial messengers reminding us that even the smallest rock can have a hand at sculpting worlds. Asteroid.
First 5 minutes, highly indecisive, the second as well. Still not breaking out of the range. So far the three 15-minute candles are just a slight drop. So as I said, the range is not very good. I think if we were to see a break here, retest and continuation with momentum, that would be a good buy trade. But so far this is not happening. And given yesterday's shit show of a market at the start, I think we could see a similar pattern play out today.
A tiny blue speck, adrift in the vast cosmic ocean, shaped by the dance of asteroids. Our whole existence rests on the edge of this delicate balance between creation and chaos. Asteroid. Those celestial messengers reminding us that even the smallest rock can have a hand at sculpting worlds.
I wish I could tell you that I want you here with me, but you'll never love me like the way we used to be. Too far from Saturn, lost in the patterns. Where's the stars align so we could be free? Palms are sweaty, knees unsteady. I can't see my head on straight. Heart is heavy, wasn't ready. Don't think I can see your face. Now we're just friends. How long till that ends? It feels like forever away.
Currently still holding the channel from the open, barely going above the London Open. So if the market stays within this range, it makes sense to trade the actual range. So this can be considered a slight sell signal. But I'm not a fan of the risk to reward, even though it's more than 1-to-1. I would much prefer to see a breakout, retest and movement with momentum. So yeah, might as well chill out and get some coffee. This could have turned out to be a good trade, but for now I'm gonna wait for the hourly candle to close.
Picking up the pieces of a broken heart, 'cause I was chosen. Stitch it back together, better late than never, steady motion. Can't control my fate, but I control all these emotions. I'm not broken, I'm not broken. Already cried my tears enough for an ocean. I've been in the cold rain on my parade. I'm still on my feet, stand tall like a mountain. I am undefeated, made for the game. Oh, 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 oh. I'm still on my feet, stand tall like a mountain. I am undefeated, made for the game. Gravity can take his arms around my legs and try to pull me. I'll still levitate. The greatest gift I got is being this holy. One thing I
Looks like the Euro and GU are picking up some tempo.
I'm not broken. Already cried my tears enough for an ocean. I've been in the cold rain on my parade. I'm still on my feet, stand tall like a mountain. I am undefeated, made for the game. Oh, 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 oh. I'm still on my feet, stand tall like a mountain. I am undefeated, made for the game. Already cried my tears enough for an ocean. I've been in the cold rain on my parade. I'm still on my feet, stand tall like a mountain. I am undefeated, made for the game. Oh, 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 oh. I'm still on my feet, stand tall like a mountain. I am undefeated, made for the game. You don't want me to breathe without you. You don't want me to be without you.
Hey Rob, yeah, you can follow, but at this point I'm on the verification, so I'm gonna take different risk. So that depends. Are you funded? Are you in challenge phase, verification phase? And also depends on what's your trading style. One Step funded, which prop firm is that? Because they have different risk parameters. Yeah, but what's the max drawdown? I mean, it depends on how you structure your risk. How much do you want to risk per trade? Because in my case, I start with 0.5%, but then I add, so in total my position would reach, for example, 2% at maximum risk. Oh, that's steep. That's why I don't like the one-step challenges, because this is, I don't know, 6% is not a lot, and you basically don't have room for a lot of mistakes unless you risk very small. So in my case here, I have a target of 5%, so I think I'm gonna risk about 250, which is 0.25%. Thanks, man. That's a compliment, but be careful with that. We're in strange territory here. And I also failed the first one spectacular, so you can go watch that. But that was due to a couple of mistakes that I think I've remedied for now. Like getting discouraged when the markets are just not moving and not providing any opportunities. That's when I tend to push it, to risk more, which is not the best strategy. Alright, we had the first hour close, indecisive. Yeah, but we're still holding the trend. So we've had a good push with momentum. Nice break of the opening range channel. We're about to take the overnight highs. This was actually a good signal. One to two or 1-1, but as I said, I'm gonna be careful here. I wanna see if this holds, so I would prefer to see retests. Okay, so we tapped into the Asia highs. Ultimately, I would like to see a retest and then continuation. If we start rejecting that, this means that it's too early to continue. And especially if we have divergences, I'm not gonna be looking to buy at this point. Yeah, currently we're making new highs with divergence, so I think caution should be applied. There it is, we have a test of the Asia highs, making new highs for the day with divergence. I have no delay on the stream, sorry, that's not for me. Unfortunately, it is a risk, yeah, that you cannot just follow along. But the core logic stays when taking trades, so it's always better for you to make your own decisions, make your own analysis, consider your own risk. I'm not a financial advisor. So given the quick rejection here, I'm not very quick to take a trade. The other indices seem to be following as well, so if we continue having good momentum, then I think it's a good time to buy. So far, not much momentum breaking the highs. It just rejected quickly and now consolidating. Ultimately, I would like to see it come tap this trend line, or maybe test the London Open level right here. But I like the setup here, so I think I'm gonna take a small risk. I'm still afraid of the Asia highs being resistive. and ultimately I would like to take a position closer to the moving average as support. Alright, I was wrong actually. This is turning out well. Unfortunately, I didn't take a trade. That's okay if we continue seeing momentum with pullbacks in this upward channel. Then it's okay, we're gonna have other chances to participate. As I said, I'm starting the verification, so I'm not looking to risk a lot. Yeah, otherwise this would have been a good position to take. Yeah, this was actually a very nice trade to take. Pushing above, retesting the last high of the channel. About a 40-point move. And making new highs in the day. Still gotta be careful with this situation because you never know when the pullback might start.
Ela do ser gentil, meigo e boca profissional. Mas que camada legal. Mas que camada legal. It's like a glitch I can't control. Someone's fucking with my dough. Kind of voodoo shit, you know. You know, you won't find me tongue-tied. No witness on my side. Harmonies when I cry. This stuff makes me nauseous. Losing what they taught us. Gotta tread real cautious. But I go back to default. I go back to default. I go back to.
We're still building momentum with divergence, so I'm not entirely convinced.
It's like a glitch I can't control. Someone's fucking with my dough. Kind of voodoo shit, you know. You know, but you won't find me tongue-tied. No witness on my side. Harmonies when I cry. This stuff makes me nauseous. Losing what they taught us. Gotta tread real cautious. I go back to default. 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 I go back to.
I was just gonna say that we should expect some acceleration in the momentum, and it looks like it's maybe happening, so we missed that. Yeah. So far 50 points. Damn. This was in fact a good place to buy, especially after reclaiming the London Open. Could have easily been a 1-3 or even more. Thank you, Harun, thank you. Yeah, unfortunately I wasn't able to stream that. It was a long and grueling session, to say the least. It wouldn't have been fun to watch. Oh, there it is, we have the acceleration. This turned out to be a very, very good trade that we didn't take part in, but it happens. Okay, so what can we expect here? The all-time highs are 1% away. Yesterday I said that I'm not expecting to hit new highs. Well, we did, so given how the momentum is going today, I think it's very well possible. We just have to be cautious here with this whole range. So at this point, any pullback I think is a good buy. Just watch out for the market being overextended with divergences, which we currently still have, at least on the smaller time frames. Nasdaq falling, the DAX as well. US 30 is basically sleeping. Usually I don't trade US indices during the London Open. Just not enough liquidity and the spreads are wider. S&P following as well. Euro moving up with momentum. And the GU is just consolidating after a push from the start. And DAX hit 100 points from the opening range. God damn it, this was a good trade. I suddenly didn't trust my analysis and strategy, which is a mistake. At this point I should have been considering that it's a strong buy. And barely any pullbacks within this whole move. So the only good chance of buying was around here. Yep, it's annoying, but what can you do? No, actually, I did say that I was considering taking a small risk here, and I should have actually done what I said. Then I could have kept adding, but that's in the past now.
Brothers been calling, my enemies stalling, my people been balling, my team we been wildin'. Can't 100, we use basic tools. Strategies moving where we gotta move. There wasn't no option, no time on the clock, and no setting it back, and we gotta get profit. I'm standing on top of the glory, the road. We was just rebels, ain't do what was told. When they asked me how we leveled up, without us getting stuck, we just muscled up. This game spin, no one gotta tighten up, gotta muscle up, or you will get stuck in this game.
GU making new highs with divergence. We could see a slight pullback here.
While enemies falling, I'm balling on top of that mountain. I'm on and I'm calling my mama to tell her I'm good. I'm surrounded by family like back in the hood. I was falling from grace, I was misunderstood. Hey, the pressure will sit you right down, but I stood up. I mean what I say and I say what I mean. On the balcony screaming, they just let me be. Had to slow it down. What goes around comes around. Oh, the frequency different now. I was going through different rounds. Hey, it's crazy, the progress is hitting now. Ain't no sitting and lost and found. I found what I lost in a minute.
But I'm not looking to trade forexes currently.
When they ask me how we leveled up, without us getting stuck, we just muscled up. This game spin, no one gotta tighten up, gotta muscle up, or you will get stuck in this game.
The DAX is just not stopping. Considering that the US indices hit all-time highs yesterday and are now continuing very strong out of the London Open, and DAX is lagging, so it's not even close to the all-time highs, I think it's safe to assume that it's gonna try to catch up. So after a pullback here, it's possible that we have another 50 to 100 point move. So I'm just patiently waiting for a pullback, because I think we're about to get overextended. Last 30-minute candle closed very strong, more than 100 points. So hopefully let's see a bit of a slowdown and a good pullback. On the 30-minute, we're still in divergence territory. So we have higher highs, while the stochastic does not give us higher highs. So gotta be cautious here. 15-minute divergence as well. 5-minute, not so much, still looking healthy. There it is, we're reversal trades. I don't know, I'm not a big fan. I've made a lot of mistakes with the reversal trades. And let's see if the pullback is really deep. Maybe we can consider it, but for now I see no reason to risk on reversals and no risk of the trend turning to a bearish trend. So I think this could just be a healthy correction, slow down of pace, and then building up and continuing upwards again.
Music is my therapy, dancing is my medicine. Lifting every part of me, I'm free from what I'm living in. Music is my therapy, dancing is my medicine. Lifting every part of me. So don't tell me you want me, just because you love me, just because you saw me at the party with my homies. You can take it slowly, you can take it slow.
Looks like on the range bar chart we had divergence. So higher high, lower high here, another higher high, and another lower high. But yeah, I'm still not considering this a full-blown reversal. I think we can just see an ABC type of correction and continuation afterwards. And also considering the market is slowing down now, it would be better to wait for the stochastic to get to oversold. And if then we see momentum, that it's gonna be a most likely a good trade, higher probability. Seems like this market is just pumping. I was not expecting this to be so quick. Yep, that is why we don't take reversal trades. This just barely gave back 40 points and then shot up for about 60, so yeah, it's a strong day. So we just hit 200 points off of the opening range lows. Yep, we still have momentum to the upside, and reversal trades are just hard. We just created another high with divergence. And there it is again. Yeah, you can consider this a reversal, but you have to have really strong risk here, meaning that you should be able to quickly reverse your position because we're still pumping, there's still momentum, so this could only be a pullback, and the higher probability is that it's gonna continue. Yeah, you can say that we're hitting resistance zones, but given the momentum from other indices, the DAX having to catch up, I think it's not a big deal that we have resistances here. After all, the market is so strong that it can easily push past them. So at this point, any pullback should be considered a good buying opportunity. So yeah, if you're taking reversals, it's better to have really low risk, because the better chance is that it's just gonna be a slight pullback and then continuation. So yeah, for now we have this divergence here. And we could just end up hitting the channel and continuing forwards. The last 15 minutes closed with indecision. So yeah, for now I consider this just to be a small pullback. And we're holding the moving average. So I'm gonna take a buy here. 20 points. Risking 0.25%. Just a 1 to 2.5. So I'm basically gonna look to take profit at the new highs here. So I'm comfortable with a 1-to-1.
deep once again. My heart is waking. It hurts when you lie all the time. Can't feel anymore. Feels numb when I die. Restart me again and again. Your love, the ghost of me. Been waiting for the light. Won't say goodbye. Won't close my eyes and die. I'm waking, give me life. The ghost of me.
Okay, I'm closing the position here. I'm afraid of these highs turning into resistance. So yeah, this was not completely optimal, but we barely made new highs and the market is stalling, so I'm not liking this. I like to see pushing up with momentum, so we could be in for another pullback here. The hour is about to end, so I think it's time for some breaks. And overall, I'm good with a slight profit for the day. I'm sure we're gonna have better opportunities in the afternoon as well. So far, this market is still keeping the momentum and the trend. We have a lot of points to go up until new highs. So this could easily continue in the next 1 to 2 hours. And the other thing that's bothering me at this point is the divergence that we had. Right here. So most likely we're gonna make new highs, just slightly, if we don't consider this a new high. And from here on, a chop. So yeah, not the best conditions I'm willing to take part in. So for now, this is gonna be it. I'm gonna take a break, and I think I may be back for the US session. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Let's get good trades. Let's get good markets today. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you later.